today my dad bought this and it's called Disney Stitch Set, and there's a surprise in this, but I'll tell you later. There are 3 spray pens and there are 3 stencils and 3 white papers. Should I tell you what is the surprise is? The surprise is there are 2 things in this pen. The first thing is you can color. Also, you can spray like this. You set it like first, press it up. Like I'll close the cameras. Yeah, and you blow here. So the spray comes like this and spread it out on the paper. I will show you how it works.